Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip. Dead center Las Vegas Strip, as far as I'm concerned. I always considered the Bellagio ground zero for the Las Vegas Strip, and that's where we're visiting today, the Bellagio Hotel and Casino. Today we entered from the north end of the building, or the north end of the strip here at the Bellagio, and it brings us to this corridor, which has wonderful high-end shops and restaurants. All the restaurants are on the left-hand side, and they overlook that wonderful water fountain that Bellagio has become known for, and that lake when the water fountain isn't running, which is known as Lake Como, if you didn't know that. That lake, by the way, has 22 million gallons of water. The average depth is 8 feet. It's about 4 feet right by the strip there, and it goes as deep as 13 feet by the water jets. So come on, let's take a walk around the Bellagio, check out the shops, the restaurants, the casino. Just take a walk all around this place and see what's going on here at this upscale hotel and casino. Some of the high-end shops you'll find throughout the Bellagio include Alexander McQueen, Bulgari, Bottega Veneta, Chanel, Capri, Dior, Fendi, Gucci, Guerlain, Harry Winston, Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Omega, Optica, Platano, Prada, Richard McDonald, Sarah Jessica Parker, Tiffany, it just goes on and on, Valentino, Van Cleef & Arpels. You name it, if it's a high-end store, you're probably going to find it here, and you better have that platinum card ready.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
On the left is Yellowtail Japanese Restaurant and Lounge. It delivers imaginative twists on traditional and modern Japanese cuisine. And yes, even the Bellagio has that crazy casino carpet remnant mishmash. And coming up here is Le Cirque, a perennial AAA 5-Diamond Award winner. Le Cirque delivers exquisite French cuisine. This is Lago by Julian Serrano, toward the bolder side of Italy with innovative small plates from their Michelin-decorated chef, Julian Serrano. Yep, there's no shortage of places to eat here at the Bellagio, and a majority of them would be high-end. So you're not going to find, unfortunately, any food courts here at the Bellagio. I shouldn't say unfortunately, because it's not that type of a place. But if you're looking for cheap eats, you got to head towards the Strip. But if you're looking for a nice restaurant, you've pretty much hit the jackpot here at Bellagio. Plenty of choices. This is the Mayfair Supper Club, an elegant restaurant featuring contemporary American cuisine. And here we have Jasmine, a beautiful Chinese setting with a menu that puts Cantonese, Sichuan, and Hunan cuisine in the spotlight. And as we walk by Hermes, we start coming to the beautiful reception area here at the Bellagio. There's certain lobbies on the Las Vegas Strip that really stand out. Bellagio would definitely be one of them. Now, I heard from another vlogger here on YouTube that beautiful blown glass installation hanging from the ceiling cost over $10 million and weighs over 40,000 pounds. Don't know if it's true, but hey, why would another vlogger lie to me? Besides, it does look like it cost over $10 million, and it also does look like it weighs over 40,000 pounds. And tonight, I believe that's Larry Walker, the pianist here at the Petrosian Bar. Larry plays songs from Andrew Lloyd Webber, Andrea Bocelli, Frank Sinatra, Elton John, Lady Gaga, Shania Twain, even One Direction. Here he is playing the Eagles' Hotel California. Coming up straight ahead is the famous Bellagio Conservatory. Bellagio is known for two free shows that are pretty much iconic. One, of course, the fountains out front, and the other one being the conservatory, the flower show that they do here all year round. There's 5 shows during the course of the year, 4 for each season and 1 for the Chinese New Year. Or should I say 1 for each season and 1 for the Chinese New Year. We're not going to walk through the conservatory tonight. There's plenty of videos here on the New York channel if you'd like to see the conservatory pretty much through all the seasons, as well as daytime and nighttime. There's lots of videos here on the channel. Coming up here on the right is Giardini Garden Store. Let's stop in and see what they're selling today. By the way, I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm losing my voice tonight, and I'm going to try to get through this editing process of this particular video before I lose it completely. Jeff from New York, you just won $15,000 shooting craps at the Bellagio. What are you going to do next? Hey, I'm heading to that garden store by the conservatory. I want to buy that big blue peacock with bedazzled sequins and stuff all over it. Everybody should have one of those at their house.
Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out.
Coming up here is the Bellagio Patisserie, and that plaque on the wall shows that this chocolate fountain is the world's largest according to the Guinness Book of World Records. It starts at the ceiling and goes all the way down to the floor, and it's got features dark chocolate, milk chocolate, as well as white chocolate. And as you can see, this place is pretty darn busy. Those croissants must be really good. Hey, I mentioned in an earlier video that I really am thinking about picking up one of those Golden Knight jerseys, and I'm going to be in Vegas in a few days. I just might come home with one. On the other side of those windows are the pools here at the Bellagio. There's 5 to choose from, and they're all gorgeous. Of course, you can't see them here at night on this video, but there are other videos on the channel that show these beautiful pools off. And coming up here on the left is Harvest. A market-inspired menu is a breath of fresh air here in Las Vegas, meeting the health-conscious demands of today's travelers and diners while simultaneously delivering fresh, creative dishes that are full of flavor. By the way, all the flowers and plants you see in the Bellagio are real, no plastic here. And now we're back at the conservatory, actually the back of the conservatory, where we have Michael Mina restaurant. At this signature restaurant, Michael Mina has crafted a menu focused on refined coastal cuisine. In other words, it's a seafood joint. And then there's Siddell's Cafe. Savor the best brunch in Las Vegas. No matter what you're craving, Siddell's Cafe features all your favorites. And now we'll take a quick walk through the casino, or this area of the casino, to get to some more shops and restaurants on the other side of the Bellagio. And coming up here on the left is snacks. I guess it's Bellagio's answer to fast food. Here they serve craft burgers, pizza, wings, onion rings, shakes, and a lot more. And this is Fix Restaurant and Bar, which serves up fresh interpretations of American classics in an innovative modern setting. And that's pretty much it for the Bellagio tonight. Did you ever stay here? Would you consider staying here? Leave a comment below.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.